Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make dynamic pages in Wix. Dynamic pages are a powerful feature, allowing you to display content from a database collection using a single page layout. This means you can create hundreds or even thousands of unique pages without designing each one individually. It's incredibly efficient for showcasing products, services, or blog posts, saving you countless hours of design work. You simply update your database, and your pages automatically reflect the changes. To begin, navigate to the Content Manager in your Wix editor and create a new database collection. Think of this as a spreadsheet where each row is an item and each column is a field. Carefully define your fields such as product name, description, or image, selecting the correct type for each. For instance, an image field will store image files. Once your structure is ready, populate it with your content. Now let's design your dynamic page. From your site pages, add a new dynamic page and choose the database collection you just created. This page will serve as your template. Drag and drop various elements such as text boxes, images, and buttons onto the canvas. Then, connect each element to a corresponding field in your database using the Connect to Data panel. For example, connect a text box to your product name field. To make your dynamic pages even more interactive, consider adding user input elements. You can include drop-downs or search bars to allow visitors to filter or sort content based on their preferences. For displaying lists of items, use a repeater and connect it to your database. This allows you to show several items on a single page. You can also connect forms to your database for collecting user submissions directly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.